It's time now for some tech talk. Today, Lou Norman's talking about some tech for your car.
And good morning to you, Lou.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Brian. We are talking about tech for your vehicle. A lot of people are keeping their vehicles. They're not buying new right now, and they need to get their vehicles repaired. And the cheapest way to repair your vehicle begins with a proper diagnosis. That's actually figuring out what's actually wrong with the car. And what we're finding is a lot of people will just call on the phone and they'll say, how much do you want to charge to diagnose my car? And some shops might say, you know what? Yeah, we won't charge you anything. Oh, we'll charge you very little. And then what happens with that is an improper repair. Let me give you an example. So there is not a diagnostic tool on the planet that is going to tell a mechanic, hey, the 5-volt reference wire that goes back to the fuel pump module is corroded and sending erroneous signals to the fuel pump module and the engine's not running. There's no tool to tell a mechanic that. So what will some shops do if they say, we'll just give you a free diagnostic? They'll plug their little code reader in it. It will say circuit failure on fuel pump circuit. So what do they do after that? They start replacing parts. Let's replace the fuel pump. Well, I didn't fix it. Let's replace the fuel pump module. I didn't fix it. Well, how about the fuel pump relay? We'll change that. Still seeing a problem. How about the fuse box? Let's replace the fuse box on the car. How much money do you think you're into it right now? Well over $1,000. You might be close to $2,000. And then maybe eventually, if they're smart, they do find that broken wire and then they fix it. Do you think they're going to charge you for just finding that wire? No, they're going to charge you for all of those parts. So if you want your vehicle fixed properly, find a shop that's actually going to diagnose the problem. Don't be scared off when they say, hey, we're X amount an hour to diagnose it. Find a shop that really knows what they're doing. Millions of dollars are wasted around this planet all the time from people just throwing parts at a problem that's not actually fixing the problem. So with ways to help you save money in your car repair, I'm Lou, the electronics guy. And if you'd like more information about what we can do for you, check out our website. It's enormis.net. That's enormis.net. Click the Contact Us button. Tell us what electrical problem you might be having. Or maybe you want to do something to your vehicle regarding electronics that gives you more comfort, like heated seats, a remote start. Let us know. I'm Lou, electronics guy. Back to Brian and Tom in the studio.
Lou, thank you very much.